Have you ever wondered how you can outshine others with your intellect? Guten Tag. I'm here to share some secrets. Today, we're delving into how to be the smartest person in the room, as told by yours truly, Albert Einstein. Welcome back to our channel. Now, I may be known as one of the greatest minds in history, but let me tell you, it's not all about the brain power. It's also about the mindset, the curiosity, and the perspective. First, remember that everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. The essence of this thought is to know your strengths and play to them. Don't compare your abilities with others, rather find your unique genius and let it shine. Secondly, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. To be the smartest, you must never stop asking questions. Questions show engagement, they show that you're interested and willing to learn more. Be inquisitive, my friend, just like a child. Next, remember that education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. Don't merely accumulate knowledge, instead, strive for wisdom. Knowledge can be forgotten, but wisdom sticks. Be the person who understands, not just the one who knows. Also, remember in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. A wise mind sees challenges as chances to grow, to learn, to innovate. When problems arise, be the first to look for solutions. And lastly, imagination is more important than knowledge. The mind that can envision the future, that can dream and imagine, that's the mind that leads. So, let your imagination run wild. See what no one else sees. So, there you have it. Remember, being the smartest is not just about what you know, but how you use it. It's about curiosity, imagination, resilience, and the wisdom to understand. Dankeschön for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death. Auf Wiedersehen.